Yes, Monica, I think we can start.
Okay, thank you so much. So those who have just joined, everyone, let me tell you about the flow of the session. So first of all, you'll get to know your mentor. Then you'll see a short informative PPT, followed by a virtual tour of the dashboard of Olympiad Success, followed by a short question answer round where if you have a doubt, you can ask that and get the answer then and there. And then the actual demo will begin, okay? So I hope the flow is clear. Everyone, show me a thumbs up. Sudhi, please switch on your camera because we do not allow students without video in the class, okay? So please switch on your camera. Let us see you. Okay, very good, very nice. So Sudeep, in the meantime, you can type in the chat box your school name and city name. And let me tell you that we have with us, everyone, Sumita Manchanda ma'am, and she is a very seasoned, very experienced, teacher, and teaching is her passion. And she is subject matter expert of English, and I'm sure you're going to love her sessions because those are not only going to be informative, but also fun-filled. So all over to you, ma'am. Please introduce yourself.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Yeah. Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Sumita Manchanda here, and I'm going to teach you English if you'll be joining the classes. I have been in this teaching profession since 11 years. It's like more than 11 years, I should say. And with Olympiad, it is about like it's more than 2 years. It has been a wonderful experience for me teaching the students like you all. I have done my master's in English and I have even done my B.Ed. And presently, I'm also into school teaching. Along with that, I do take online classes in Olympiad. Thank you so much. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Now allow me to share my screen for a short PPT. You can note down if you want to, anything that you find worth noting. Just a moment. So I hope the screen is visible to everyone.
Yes, ma'am, it's visible.
So a very warm welcome to the demo and interaction program for class 3 to 4 English batch 3. Olympiad Success, as you're already aware, is India's largest online preparation platform for Olympiad exams. Olympiad Success Live is India's first exclusive live classes for Olympiad's preparation. School Plus by Olympiad Success is one of its own kind of annual program that includes 8 important courses that really matter at this point of time in your life. And these 8 courses include mathematics, English, science, logical reasoning, communication, both spoken and written, Vedic math, and coding. Here you can get one-on-one online CBSE, ICSE, IGCSE, and IB classes for grades 2 to 12. One-on-one preparation classes for international mathematics Olympiads like SASMO, CMO, HKIMO, TIMO, Math Counts, US Common Core Math Competition, Math Kangaroo, PRMO. You can meet our international rank holders for the year 2022-23. These are on the screen. All kids like you. And for the year 2021-22. So the classes are going to be group sessions with batch size of around 20 students delivered through Zoom by experienced tutors. You've already met your mentor. You get 3 sessions per week on Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Saturdays from 3:45 p.m. till 5 p.m. That would be the timing. Please note that down. With 5 minutes of break in between the class. That means that 35 minutes of class with 5 minutes of break in between, followed by again 35 minutes of class. So the sessions would include a mix of theory, practice questions, doubt sessions, and discussion on previous year papers. You also get reading material and practice questions, which will be available on the dashboard of Olympiad Success. You get free access to Olympiad Success platform so that you can practice topic-wise mock tests for both English and reasoning, as well as logical reasoning. So the virtual tour of the dashboard will be given very shortly by Rajan sir. So syllabus is available at this particular link and fees can be paid by clicking on this particular link. Don't worry, all the important and relevant links will be pasted in the chat box again. The fees for this course is 7,140 rupees and it is going to be a 32 session course. The fee includes online classes, daily reading notes and exercises, practice of previous year papers, access to Olympiad Success platform for English and logical reasoning. All that you require for these classes is a laptop or a desktop with good internet speed, with camera because we do not allow students without video in the class, and headphones for better audio clarity. Now, as you're already aware that preparation for Olympiad exams is slightly tougher than your regular school curriculum. So you need to spend some time every day to cope up with the curriculum. And of course, parental support is required at the back end to check answers and reiterate concepts and all. So in 2022-23, Olympiad Success had students from more than 3,800 schools across India and abroad, hailing from 35 plus countries. Now the live classes for this particular batch begins from Thursday, 8th June 2023. I hope you've noted down all the details. That's all from my side. Now I would request Rajan sir to take you through a virtual tour of the dashboard. All over to you, sir.
Sure, ma'am. Thank you for the wonderful presentation. Let me share my screen. I hope my screen is visible. So students, this is the website of Olympiad Success. Okay, I'm just showing you how you can access the content once you enroll with us. So what you need to do, you need to click on my account to log in. Okay, so once you enroll with us, we will share the credentials with you, and with that credential you can log in. Let me log in with my credential for now. So this is the student profile and all the content you will find here in the live classes. Okay. Let me show you. What you need to do, you need to select the subject first, that is English Olympiad, then select topic. Let me select noun. So for each and every topic, students, you will find reading material, practice question and answer key here. Let me show you how it looks like. So this is the reading material we have for the noun topic. Okay. So for each and every topic, you will find the reading material here. And also practice questions are also there. Let me show you practice questions also. So these are the question for noun topic. Okay, worksheet 1. So for each and every topic, you will find reading material, practice question and answer key here. Other than that, students, you can also check schedule here, like in which session, which topic we are going to cover. Let me show you. Like in session 1, we are going to cover assets. And in session 2, we having a test. Okay. So after each and every topic, we having a test discussion. Okay. So we will share the mock test with you and we will discuss the test in the class. And at the end of the session, we have super classes. Let me show you. Yeah, we have super classes. Like Monica ma'am mentioned, we will also going to discuss previous year Olympiad question. So in this super class, that we are going to do. In super class, we will discuss all previous year Olympiad questions. Okay. Other than that, students, you can also check holiday calendar here, like on which holidays you don't have the classes. And also with this course, you will get free access to the topic wise mock test for English as well as for reasoning, logical reasoning. Let me show you. You just need to click on worksheet and here you can access for logical reasoning as well as for English. So these are the topic wise mock tests for each and every topic. Okay. You can just click on take exam to attempt it. And later on to check your performance, you can check here in the performance tab. Okay. The performance tab, what you need to do, you need to just select the topic subject firstly. So firstly, you need to attempt. Okay. When you attempt one mock test of English, you can see English subject also here. You need to select the subject, then just click on view, detailed result view to check the answer. Okay. So this is all about the dashboard, students. Now, if any have any doubt or query, you can post in the chat box. Do anyone have any doubt or query, students? You can write yes also. If you don't have any query, you can write no. No. Okay. Okay. In case if anyone have any query, you can post, okay, in the chat box. In the meantime, let me ask some question. Can you tell me the days on which you're having the class? Let's see who remember. the days on which we're having the classes. Monica ma'am shared in her presentation. Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday. Tuesday, Thursday, Friday. Okay, any other answer? Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday. Yes, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday is correct. So Kartika, we don't have class on Friday. We have in class on Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. Okay. And what will be the class timing? Can you share the class timings also? Three 45 to 5. Okay. 3:45 to 5. You also need to mention it as AM or PM. So how many sessions? Okay. Can anyone answer how many sessions are there? Yeah, timing is correct. It is 3:45 to 5 p.m. Can anyone answer how many sessions will be there? 32. Yes, correct. There will be 32 sessions. Any other query or doubt, students? Do anyone have any doubt or query?
No doubts.
No? Okay. Okay, then we can start with the session. In case if anyone have any doubt or query, I'm share links again. Okay, you can copy the links, and at the top there is our WhatsApp number. You can message on that number if you have any query or doubt later on also. Okay, let's start with the session then. So over to you, Sumita ma'am.
Yes, sir. Okay. Okay, children. Now, today we'll be doing adjective. Now, anyone have any idea what does the word adjective means? Anyone wants to try? You can write in chat, please. Any idea what is adjective? Yes. Okay. Okay, that's correct. So when we talk about the word adjective, adjective means adjectives are said to be describing words. When we describe something. Now, adjective qualify, that is tell us something more about a noun. Now, we all know what is noun. Yes, noun is the name of a person, place, animal or thing. Now, if I say it qualify, that is, it tell us something more about a noun. That means adjective tries to tell us something about a noun. Now, in the very first sentence, when you see the fat cat sat on a mat. Now, over here, the noun is what? Cat. Now, how the cat is being described here as? How the cat is being described here as? Write in chat, let me see. Yeah, very good. That's correct. Cat is being described here as fat. Ram has acted in many plays. Now, when I say Ram has acted in many plays, so over here, you can see many is acting here as an adjective. Now, how many is acting here as adjective? I will tell you when I'll be doing different types of adjective. That time it will be very much clear to you that how many is trying to tell us something about a noun and how many is an adjective. Now, this poem was written by John. So again, we talk about the word this. In this particular sentence, this also act as an adjective. Now, again, same thing, when we'll be doing different types of adjective, it will be very much clear to you that how it is said to be an adjective word. Now, the very first type, now we do have many types of adjective. The first type is adjective of quality, which is also called as qualitative adjective. Now, when I say quality, quality means what? Quality, we all know, anything, any quality, we can talk about any bad, any good, any qualities it can be. Or maybe we are talking about any shape, size of, and that too, we are trying to tell something about a noun. Now, if I say fat cat, so I'm explaining, I'm telling you how the cat look like. How do I describe cat here as? Fat. Now that is the quality. Now adjective of quantity, which is also called as quantitative adjective. Next is demonstrative. Number 4, adjective of number. Number 5, interrogative adjective. Number 6, possessive adjectives. Now the very first type of adjective is, yeah, that's correct, Janvi. That's fine. Right. Now, when I talk about adjective of quality, which is also called, now children, if you get in school, if teacher asks you, if she gives you the word qualitative adjective, please don't get yourself confused over there that ma'am, qualitative adjective and the word quality, what should be the one? It should be quantity or quality, because many times children get confused with quality and quantity. Both are different. Okay. Now, when I say quality, quality is called as qualitative. It is also, this is the second one which we say. Quality, adjective of quality do have a second name as a qualitative adjective. Now, it tells us of what kind a person or thing is. Now, as see the first example, a red car, a happy boy, a tall man. Now, in all these 3 sentences, car is being described here as red, boy is described here as happy, man is being described here as tall. So in all the 3 sentences, we are trying to come up with the quality of a noun. Now, car, boy, man, all these are noun. We all know that, isn't it? Yeah. So when we talk about adjective of quality, we do come up with such words that help us to understand that what is the quality of that particular noun. Now, one more thing, when we talk about adjective of quality, the question that should be there in our mind is what kind of person or thing. Now, children, whenever we say what kind, now if I say a red car, now the question is what kind of car? This question is for your help. It is for you, that this question you are supposed to ask to yourself. You're not going to ask anyone else. Once you're giving your test or maybe any class homework, anything, if you're getting any classwork, and if you're getting confused that in that sentence you're not able to understand that which word is adjective of quality, try to ask question to yourself that what kind of, like for a red car, so what kind of car? So the answer, you'll get one word answer will be, everyone write in chat, what should be the one word answer for this? That's correct. Very good. Everyone good. I can see you all are writing. So the answer is red. Okay. Good, good. Very good. Now, children, the second one, a happy boy. What kind of boy? So what should be the answer to this? Yes. That's correct. Very good. So see, you all are getting answer. Happy. Happy is trying to tell us something more about that boy. It is trying to tell us about the quality of that boy. Now, quality doesn't mean that quality should be something related to your inner thing. Yeah, the quality like brave, he's a very brave boy, or intelligent. These are not only the taken under as a quality. We do have some different things also. Like when I say happy, happy is related to some feeling. So that feeling comes from inside. Yeah. So these type of words can also be taken as an adjective of quality. Clear, children? Any question, any doubt anyone have? If you have not understood adjective of quality, I will explain again. If you have doubt, please ask in chat bar. Anyone, any question, any doubt? No doubt? Okay. Okay, great. Now, the next is adjective of quantity. Now, we also call adjective of quantity as quantitative adjective. Now, if you get in your school or anywhere in Olympiad exam, anywhere, if they don't use the word adjective of quality, quantity, but instead of that, they use quantitative adjective, please don't be confused. Both means the same. Okay. So now when we talk about quantity, an adjective that tell us how much of something. Now, children, there is a difference. Now, when I say how many, many goes with number, adjective of number. Now, when we talk about adjective of quantity, we always go with the question, how much of something. Now, when I say there is sufficient food for all of us, now see, food is something which we can't count. First thing you need to understand one more thing, that when we talk about quantity are always uncountables. You can't count them. Quantities are the ones which you can't count at all. Now, children, when I say there is sufficient food for all of us, now tell me in chat, now is it possible for us to count food? I can count the bowl of food or maybe a plate or so, but we can't count. Can we count food? Very good. You all are writing no. So that's true. We can't count food. It's not possible for me to count food, isn't it? So food is something which is taken as uncountable thing. So sufficient word tell us that, okay, this is uncountable one. So we can't go with any particular number. Now there was no milk in the jar. Now children, we can count the jar. Yeah, but we can't count milk itself. Milk is in a liquid form. We can't count. We count the glass of milk. Yeah, maybe there are 2 glasses of milk kept over their glasses and all, but we can't count milk itself. So milk is again uncountable. So see, maybe I may say there was a little milk in the jar, or I may say there was no milk in the jar. Okay. So see, these type of words are always helpful in understanding that, oh, these are the uncountable ones. So when we talk about uncountable now, we can't come up with any number. It's not possible, because if I don't know milk, I can't count, na? So we can't come up with any number. Now, there are many people standing in the queue. Now, when we talk about people are many in number. You may say, ma'am, people that we can count. There are 10 people standing here, 15, 20. It do happen. Yes, we do count, but many times it also happens that it's not possible. We count 1 person, 2 person, 3 person, 4 person. We never say. People is the word which we use for many. Person, when I say person is 1 person, 2 person, 3 person, 4 person. Yeah. But when I say people comprises of many. So again, we come up with the word many over here to make us understand that, okay, these are the uncountable ones. Now, see, there are a few more examples given over there. Any, some, many, no, sufficient. So many examples are there. There are many other examples also, like little and all. I have not come up with those examples because there are so many examples. We can only come up with few examples. Now, remember, children, when we talk about quantity, we go with the question, how much of something is there? Any doubt so far? Yeah, that's true. That's correct. No doubt. Okay. Okay, someone, yes, Janvi, that's correct. Okay, children, no doubt. So I'm going to the next one. Now, demonstrative adjective. Now, when I say demonstrative adjective is what? Now, we all know, na, we point towards certain objects. Now, you all have your book or pencil or pen with you. I hope all of you have. Maybe a piece of paper or pencil or toy. Anything is there with you right now. Anything which is close to you. I want all of you to show what all things are there close to you. Anything. Yes, see, oh yeah, Mishika is showing me her notebook. That's correct. Sulekha, what are you? Pencil, yeah. Sulekha is showing me pencil. Kartika and Shrihan. Okay, Kartika showing me pen, paper, book. Okay, Shrihan showing me book. Okay, pencil. Sudeep, what are you showing me? Wire. What is that? Okay, you won't be unmuting with that. It's fine. Vaibhav is showing me cube. Anvi is showing me stapler. Okay. And who else? Yeah. Okay, I hope everyone showed me something or the other. Yeah. Advik is showing me, what is this? Notepad or something. Okay. Now, so children, now you all have something close to you. Yes. Now, if anything which is kept close to you, now everyone showed me one pencil, one notebook, one book. Yeah. So when you have one thing and that particular one, that is singular, and that particular thing is kept close to you. So what will you say, this or that? What will you say if anything is kept close to you? This or that? Very good. That's correct. We say this. Now see, if I have book with me. Now, Mishika, beta, you won't be able to raise your hand. You won't be able to unmute. Whatever you want to write, please write in chat. I won't, when we'll be having a regular classes, that time you can unmute, okay? Right now, we won't allow you to do that. Okay. Yeah. Now, when we talk about the word this, the two things which you need to remember, the first is this is used for something which is kept close to me. This is one. Second, this is used when there is anything which is singular, one in number, only one. Now, this is my book. See, I'm saying book. I'm not saying books. Okay. So this is my book. Now, children, if anything is kept far away from me, what should I say? This or that? If anything is kept far away from me, what should I say? This or that? Very good. Now, tell me, do we use that for one particular thing or for many? Singular or plural? Just write, okay, one or many. Just write this also, one. Very good, that's correct. Now see, when I say, this is my book, I'm talking about one particular book and book is kept close to me. Yes, so this. Now when I'm talking about one particular book kept far away from me, so I'm saying that. Clear? So when we talk about demonstrative adjective, we go with these four words only. You don't have any other words. Only these four words you need to remember. This, that, these, those. Now I explained you this, I explained you that. Yes, now we are going to talk about these and those. Now when I say these, many books are kept close to you. Okay? Many. I'm not saying one. Many books are kept close to you. So what you will say, these or those? What will you say if many things are kept close to you? Type, everyone type. If many things are kept close to you, what will you say? These. Very good. Okay. If many things are kept close to you, you will say these. Now tell me, if many things are kept far away from you, what will you say? These or those? If many things are kept far away from you, what will you say? These or those? Sudeep, you're typing. If many things are kept far away from you, these or those? Very good. That's those. Okay. So children, when we talk about demonstrative adjective try to point towards certain person or thing. Now, when I say they point towards certain person or thing, that means when I'm saying using only these four words, this, that, these, those. Now, only these four words are going to be used when we talk about demonstrative adjective. Now, this and that we use for singular thing. These and those we use for plural things. This we use anything kept close to me. That we use anything kept far away from me. These we use when many things are kept close to me, and those we use when many things are kept far away from me. Now I'm going to read all the four examples over there. This park has a beautiful fountain. Now children, when I'm saying this park, that means, now tell me in chat, now when I say this park, what does it mean? Park is near or far away? Park is near or far? This means what? Near or far? I want only the word this written. Listen to me. I'm saying that when I say the word this means what? Anything near to me or far? Okay, good. Mishika, Shrihan. Who else has written? Kartika. Okay. Okay, children, very good. Okay. So when things are kept near to me, we say this. So this park is near. This park has a beautiful fountain. So that means we are talking about the park that is very near, that is maybe very close to my place. So this park. Now, when I say these girls, now see girls, I'm not saying girl, I'm saying girls. Now, these means many girls are there. So I'm saying these girls are my classmates. Now, those students are waiting to see you. Now, again, those means I'm talking about the students who are a bit far away from me. So I'm saying those students. Now, see, S is there with the word student. That white building is the temple. Now, again, that means I'm talking about one particular white building, which is far away from me. And so I'm using the word that. Now, children, anyone have any question, any doubt related to demonstrative adjective? Any doubt, any question related to demonstrative adjective? Okay, no doubt. Okay, great. Now, adjective of number. Now, when I say adjective of number, now listen, number we say, we go with the question, how many? We go with the question, how many? Okay. Remember this thing. When I say quantity, which question do we use? When I say quantity, which question do we use? How much or how many? When I say quantity, how much or how many? What question should be there in your mind? Okay. Very good. How much? So children, so the difference between quantity and number is there are three differences. The first is question how much is for how quantity and how many is for number. Secondly, when we talk about quantity, quantity is uncountable, but numbers are countable. You can count them. Clear? Now, when I talk about quantity, we never go with numbers. We never say 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, first, second, third. We never. We are not supposed to because we can't count them. But when we talk about number, we can count them. So we can go with numbers. Okay. Now, adjective of number, it tells the number of a noun. Now, Ram is 10 years old. Now, we all can count now. Now, every year your birthday is there. Yes. You say, I'm 7 years old, 8 years old, 9 years old, 10 years old. Yeah. Like this, you all say. So, years we can count. So, 10. 10 is the one which we can count. Years we can count. So, I'm coming up with the number. Now, children, remember, first, second, third, fourth, these type of words are also numbers only because they're telling us something about number. Yeah. So the first match will be played tomorrow. Now, when I say the first match will be played tomorrow, match is something which we all can count now. Today was the first match, tomorrow will be the second match. Yeah. So match is the word, something which we all can count. So again, first word is trying to tell us that how many matches are being played. Okay. But as of now, we can see only the word first is there. So that means one. Tomorrow is the first match. Now, I had 6 cookies yesterday. Now, when I say 6 cookies, cookies is something which we all can count. Isn't it? I had 2 cookies. I ate 2 cookies. I ate 3 cookies. So cookies are something which we all can count. Yes. Okay. So you all are writing how many cookies are there? Okay. So children, remember, whenever we talk about adjective of number, we always go with the question how many, and it is countable. So we can go with numbers. Numbers doesn't mean only 1, 2, 3, 4, 10, 100, those. If I say first, second, third, fourth, these are also numbers. Any question, anyone? Any doubt related to adjective of number? Anyone have any doubt? Please ask. If no doubt, please write no. Any doubt, anyone? Okay, no doubt. Now, interrogative adjective. What is interrogative adjective? This is one of the easiest of all. When I say interrogative adjective, you all know now what is question. Yeah, we all know question. Like if I'm asking, we all ask, how are you? What are you doing? These are all the questions which we ask, isn't it? But in this particular interrogative adjective, we are not going to use the word how or what. That was just, I'm telling you that how the questions are the ones which we ask. Now see, when I'm saying interrogative adjective, the first thing which you need to remember is an adjective that asks a question about a noun. Now see children, these are the only 3 words which you are going to do as per your level. Only these 3 words as a question which you're going to use, and that too also in the beginning of the sentence. Now when I say what, which, whose, only these 3 words. Don't say, ma'am, why can't I use how? Why I can't use what? No, this is a rule. Okay, this is a rule, so we are not supposed to use any other words apart from these. Once you go to higher classes, you will come across maybe few 1 or 2 more words if there are, but as of now we don't. As per your level, we never. Okay, so only these 3 words are the ones which we use as an interrogative adjective, and that too we need to ask a question, and also you have to use these words in the beginning of the sentence. Now, whose diary is this? Now see, I'm asking a question. So there's a question mark at the end, whose. Which hill station have you visited? Again, there's a question mark, which. What time are you leaving? There's a question mark, again, what. So children, all these 3 words, you're supposed to never to use in the middle of the sentence. These 3 words should always be used in the beginning of the sentence, and that too also you need to ask question. Okay, it should be in a question form. No, you are not going to use whom and who. As per your level, we are not supposed to, you are only going to use these 3. Okay? I think someone asked me that. No, Ashad, you are not going to use whom and who. Okay, beta? And even only these 3, what, which, whose, only these. Anyone have any question, any doubt for this interrogative adjective? Advika, the thing is, like, in English, we have some of the words which can be introduced according to the topic, according to the lesson. So there are the rules even in English which we have to follow. So we can't come up with why, how can't be there, why, whom can't be there, why, who can't be there, because this is a rule which is there in English, that there are the words which are being implemented according to the lessons, according to the topic. Now it happens in adjective, you won't be having these 3, who and whom. It may happen when you go to different types of pronouns and all, it may happen you may come across any among those in that. Okay, so if all the ones are according to the lesson. Okay, no doubt. Janvi, we normally, when you go to higher classes, that is when you go to higher class, we normally don't use any other words. Okay, apart from these. Like when we will be having a different types of, when you will be joining my Olympiad, if you'll be there in my classes, we'll be doing different types of pronouns, we'll be doing different types of adverbs. Yeah, so pronouns and all, when we'll be doing, again, you will come across with interrogative. Again, you will come across demonstrative. But again, we do have some other we do have some different changes in that. Okay, but these 3 words are specifically for interrogative adjectives. Okay, children? Okay, Janvi, if you have enrolled, very good. I'll see you in my class. Okay. Now, possessive adjective. Now, when I say possessive adjective, what does that mean? Possessive. Now, children, first remember, listen to me very carefully. First, you need to understand what this word possessive means. Possessive means possession. Possession means belonging. Now, I hope everyone have some or the other belonging, isn't it? We all have some or the other belonging. Maybe you have a car, you have a house, so many things we have that belongs to us. Yes, you have a bag that belongs to you, school bag that belongs to you only, not to your friends. Yeah. So we have so many belongings which are there that belongs to us. Now, children, whenever we talk about the word possessive means possession. That means belonging. Anything that belongs to you, to me, or to someone else. Clear? Now, okay. Now, possessive adjective is used to show that something belongs to someone. Now, see, there are few possessive adjective words given over here. My, his, her, our, their, your. Now, children, we don't have any other possessive adjective words apart from these. Okay, someone was asking me, 1 minute, one child was asking me something right now. I didn't follow. Also she and he. Okay, now she and he, we are not going to use as a possessive adjective. Okay, we have mine, better. Mine will be for pronoun. Okay, Janvi, mine is for pronoun. We are not going to use it right now over here. Okay, when we'll be doing the possessive pronoun, that time you will come across mine word over there. Now see, children, we have only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, only these 6 words as possessive adjective. You don't have any other words apart from these. Keep a note of some of the words which I'm telling you. You only have these 3 words. Okay. Now, if I say my sister lives in Bhopal. Now, my sister is something that belongs to me. Yeah, she's my sister. We all have brother and sister, cousins also own brother and sister. Yeah, we all have. So if I'm saying my sister lives in Bhopal, that means I'm talking about the sister who belongs to me. She's my sister, isn't it? So the word my tell us that, okay, I'm talking about my sister. Only these, yeah. Only these 6 words are possessive adjective. So when I'm saying the word my, I'm talking about my sister. I'm not talking about anyone else right now. So which word help you to understand that, okay, I'm talking about my sister, the word my. Now, if I say your sister, so that means I'm talking about your sister. Isn't it? So the word your helps us to understand that, okay, I'm talking about your. That's your sister. Now, if you exercise, then your health will improve. Now, health is something that belongs to us. We all, yeah, health is something that belongs to us only. So if you exercise, maybe someone is giving suggestion to someone that if you exercise, then your health will improve. Your health. Health is again a belonging. That's my possession, that's my belonging. But which word help you to understand that I'm about whom I'm saying, whose health I'm talking about over here? About your. This word your help us to understand that, okay, I'm not talking about my health, I'm talking about someone else. Okay. Yeah, Weber, why, why, ma'am? Could you just come up with a question? I didn't understood what you want to ask. Weber? Weber. Beta, hopefully I will end the class by 4:30 only. Okay, I will end. Don't worry. Just keep. Okay. Now, children, anyone have any doubt related to possessive adjective? Anyone have any doubt? No doubt. 1 minute, children. Some of them are writing some questions or what? Okay, now children, if I miss any of your question, you can write those question again in chat because there's so many questions coming back to back. So it's sometimes difficult. It happens we do skip some. Why not you? No, you can't be. We never go. You is a pronoun. Okay. You is a pronoun word which we use when we are talking. You is always used in a form of subject. Okay. So Lakshana, I already said you is something which we tried to use beta in the form of subject. Okay. Now these 6 words are the only words. Now children, I would really request you, please don't get yourself confused that you can use any other words also. No, you are not supposed to use. Okay, clear? And children, anyone have any doubt? Some of them are writing no doubt, no doubt, no doubt. Very good. If no doubt, great. Okay. Okay, no doubt. Now listen to me. We'll quickly do this exercise. Yeah. Now for some of them have the classes, so quickly I'm going to do this. Now, see, there are total 5 sentences. Now, I want all of you to write the first sentence, which you can see over here. The princess wore a lovely gown. So in this sentence, which word is an adjective? Which word is an adjective? Quickly write. Right. Good. That's correct. Very good. Okay. Very good. So the word lovely is trying to tell us something about a gown. Now the children clapped when they saw the magician clever trick. Tell me the noun. Good. Very good. So clever is a noun. Oh, sorry, it's an adjective. Now the zebra is a stripped animal. Quickly, write in chat. Number 3. Everyone write, please. Very good. Strip is the correct word. Now, my sister writes funny stories. Number 4. My sister writes funny stories. Okay, good. Funny is the correct answer. David could not carry the box up the steep stairs. Number 5, David could not carry the box up the steep stairs. Steep means better. Steep means very rough ones. Okay, rough stairs, in which you find difficulty in climbing. Okay, very good. Steep is the correct answer. Okay, great. You all were able to answer. Now, children, quickly, yeah? And dash man. See, the words are given at the top. And dash man. What should be the answer? That's correct. An old man. Good. The dash sun. The dash sun. The dash sun. The bright sun. Very good. Now, children, if some of you are slow in writing, that's fine. But if you know the answer, I'm okay with it. I'm happy that you know the answer. So if you're slow in typing, that's completely fine. I don't have any problem. Because I can see some of the answers I'm getting later on. I'm okay. But still, you know your answer. That is something, that is a big thing. Okay, number 4, dash banana. Dash banana. Okay, Janvi, that's correct. Dash banana. Dash banana. Yes, ripe banana. Okay. A dash cat. A dash cat. A dash cat. Yeah, that's correct. A cute cat. Okay, wonderful. Okay, done. We are done with this. Now, this will be the last one which we'll be doing. That is degrees of comparison. Now, children, when we say degrees of comparison, there are total 3 degrees of comparison. Now, listen to me carefully. When I say 3 degrees of comparison, that means we have positive, we have comparative, and we have superlative. Now, when I say positive, in positive, we don't do any comparison. We don't compare anything. We only come up with a simple sentence. Now see the first, it's written, you can see over here, clever. Now if I say, he is a clever boy, she is a clever girl. So I'm not making any comparison. No? I'm not comparing anyone, isn't it? So when we don't compare anyone, that goes for positive degree. When you are simply talking about the quality of one person only. When I say one person, so obviously there's no comparison, isn't it? So word clever, this is one example I'm saying clever. Clever is not the only word. Clever is just one example. So I'm saying clever, we talk about one person quality. Now, if I say comparative word means comparison, but I'm comparing 2 people. I'm not talking about one, I'm comparing 2. Now, if I say Sam is cleverer than Sumit. Sam is cleverer than Sumit. Now, children, how many people am I comparing over here? 1 or 2 or 3? How many? Quickly say, when I'm saying Sam is cleverer than Sumit, I'm comparing 2, 3, 4. How many? Very good. We are comparing 2. Yeah. So see what I'm saying? Cleverer. I'm not saying clever. I'm saying cleverer. So children, when we talk about comparative, we use ER at the end of the word. Now see, clever first I use alone. Then what I did, I added ER to the word cleverer. So ER will be added to comparative degree. Okay. Now when I'm saying superlative degree, I'm comparing one person or thing to more than 2% or thing. More than 2%. I'm not saying 2% only. I'm saying more than 2% or thing. Now, I may say, Sam is cleverest of all. That means, all means there can be many in number. Isn't it? There can be many. I'm not saying 2. I'm saying many. So, cleverest is used here to compare one person to more than 2%. And the word EST will be added for superlative degree. So when I say positive, we only talk about the quality of one person. Second one is comparative, where we compare 2% and we add ER at the end of the word. When I say superlative, I compare one person or things to more than 2% or thing, and we add EST at the end of the word. Yes, Ashaj, that's correct. Bad, worse, worst, good, better, best. Okay. Okay, children. So anyone have any question related to any doubt if you have related to degrees of comparison? Any doubt you have? No doubt. Okay. Now see, children, there are a few examples for positive good, comparative better, superlative best. Positive bad, comparative worse, superlative worst. Positive happy, comparative happier. Now see, ER. But I have to remove this Y and add I because this is the correct spelling. We can't change any spelling over here. And this is happiest, EST. Okay, so these are few examples. We have many, many degrees of comparison. Okay, now children, anyone have any doubt related to any of the slides? Any doubt? No doubt? Very good, great. Okay, children, so now I'm stopped sharing the screen. You all were able to understand whatever I taught you? Was it clear? 1 minute, I just open. Yeah. Now, children, whatever I taught you, was that clear to you all? Any difficulty? No difficulty? Very good. So I really hope to see all of you in my class. Okay, children. So now I'm ending the class. All of you take care, and I really hope to see you all in my class. Bye, all of you. Take care. Bye, beta.